Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design and today I'm sharing my November setup in my planners. This is where I put in all my sticky notes for appointments, birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, etc. All the important dates, and I pre-plan what sticker books and themes that I'm going to use for the month ahead. Now I do this to take away the decision fatigue that I may have of just sitting down to an empty planner spread, because there's nothing worse than that when you have over 100 sticker books. So it just takes away the decision fatigue. Okay, what holidays do we have? Are there any special theme days, etc, etc. And if you're interested in getting in the know of what themes might be possible for November, join my email list. There's a link down below. I send out a list every month of holidays, themes, ideas, and sticker book suggestions. All right, let's dive in. So the first thing that I'm going to say is I am not ready to let my ghosties go yet. I'm not ready to let my ghosties go yet. What I'm going to do is put a dashboard in my business planner, because it's this one. It is the November dashboard and it is a freebie. I do have a link to it in the description. You can just print it out. This one is on photo paper, but you can just print it out. So it does come with printable note paper. You get both of these sheets and you can kind of turn them whichever way around you want. But yeah, so you get that. This just made more sense in my business planner for right now, because I'm doing a lot of planning in here. So you do get 3 sheets. And if you are already on my list, it's already scheduled to go out, or it's already gone out, one or the other. It may have already gone out. But if you're not on my list, the link is in the description and this will get sent to you. So that is the first thing I'm doing. I'm kind of making this a bit more seasonal. I will say I'm not liking this cover, but I've only got 2 more months and I'm going to leave it. So that is my business planner set up, because I've already done the decorating for November and yeah, it's already done. So that's done. All right, then we're going to move on to my catch-all. And for November, I've got a lot of things. I've got one little word. It's Dia de los Muertos. It's the start of Diwali. And also, my husband will be out. Why does that not go? What day is the 1st? The 1st is a Friday. You need moving along. My husband is out for this weekend. This weekend. That's the wrong pen. That's too thick, Di. That's too thick. So 1st to the 3rd. Bob at SuperCon. And then the 3rd, it's daylight savings. It's also December daily prep day. So I will be crafting most of the day. On the 5th, we've got the election. On the 11th, Veterans Day. 12th, I have a new recurring subscription. So I'm going to use one of these because it's a recurring thing. I might actually get out 2 because I've been doing it on both. December 16th, 12th. What day is the 12th? Thursday. There. And we will put in, that's the wrong pen. I signed up for Ali Edwards' scrapbook by the month kit. And that is on the 12th. And that is just the digital kit. I've been using it and I love it. I love it. All right, so that's the 12th. It's got World Kindness Day. Cosmo's vaccines are due on the 15th. So I might put that in here. I have already put it in October, last week of October, but Cosmos, I think it's 2 of them are due. I put it on the back. What are we? Rabies and Bordetella. Rabies and board. Rabies and board. Flea and tick I need to reorder. And then the Planet Fitness, I'll put that as the 17th. A lot of things. A lot of things. I've got Thanksgiving. It's anniversary of my grandmother passing away. It's Stella's Gotcha Day on the 25th. So 2 years ago, we will have got Stella. 2 years. And then the 22nd, I think that's the only other thing. The 22nd, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 is the anniversary of Pixel passing away. That was my boy before we had Stella. And then new moon on the 1st. Oh my God, the 1st is going really... The 1st has a lot, is what I will say. I'm going to put another one of those to one side. Full moon is on the 15th. That's going to be another major one. And then the 30th is the new. Then what did I say? The 15th. All I have to do is put those into my November in my other planner. So full and new. Boom. All right. That is all of the appointments and stuff. This is going to be a busy weekend. That's all I'm going to say about that. I've got one little word. It's a new moon, Dia de los Muertos, Diwali, Bob's at Supercon, got All Saints Day, Daylight Saving Time, and December Daily Prep Day. Busy, 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 busy month. Busy month. Holy moly. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is put in this. This is a sticky that I did when I was doing the wrong stuff. And that's because I want to do a spread, and I think it's going to be in my journal. So I use dot grid in my journal. I'm going to, looking for my tape runner. I'm just going to sandwich these together. I don't do a monthly in my journal. I don't do a monthly. So we're just going to sandwich those together and boom. And then we will shove in stickies and put in some dates. Now I'm doing this backwards because I know I would maybe, if that's there, like to do that week. I'm either going to do, this is the 25th to the 1st, I'm either going to do a blackout spread or use the wrong dog stuff as like some dog things, because again, Stella's Gotcha Day, or I'll do red, white and black, because red is her color, her favorite color and stuff, and then she's black and white, right? So makes sense. And then here is 18 to the 24th. This is the 11th to the 17th, and then this was the 4th to the 10th. Okay, challenges for the Planner Stash Challenge for November. Color, brown, blue and peach. I'm not sure that I have any books of that color scheme, but maybe. Sticker book that you last bought. That could be something that I do. I don't know which one that one was, but wreaths, which I actually might use in a different project, but I will be using those, and non-planner stickers. So those are the themes for this month. Now I need to figure out what I want to do. What I do know is I want to use Woodland Seasons. I want to use, oh, Kindness Day. I know it's World Kindness Day, and I do have the stickers for that. So in this, let's have a look at the divider. That doesn't feel very full to me. You know what I might do? I might use Colourful Life, and I was just looking at something with this colour and I can't think what it was. So I'm literally just going to put colours. I'm going to take the colours from here. I'm thinking right now the Colourful Life, because I think I have these colours in there, apart from the, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But this needs to be these colours because I don't like it when it doesn't match. For this one, I'm going to do Thanksgiving, clearly, and we're going to do the Mega Holiday and Thanksgiving. I've been using that a lot in this planner for this year, and I'm just going to stick with it. That's always the thing. If you have like themes, like a book that's all themed, just go with the holidays and stick with it. Okay, for this week, I think I'm going to use my Sunflowers printable. I love those. So I think I'm going to do the Sunflowers printable. For the week after, it's Veterans Day. I'm undecided. I might have to change these two around because I would like to do poppies as well. I did a printable, I don't know if it was last year or the year before, but I did a printable. When is Remembrance Day? I know it's the 11th, but when are they commemorating Remembrance Day? Yeah, that'll be the 10th. May have to just switch those around. We'll do it that way. We'll do it that way. We'll do it that way. Poppies for Remembrance Sunday, and then this will be sunflowers. And then we will do Mickey. I'm going to put seasonal, question mark, because it's Mickey Mouse Day on the 18th. And then for this week, I'm thinking squad. Okay, then for my wellness planner, this just reminds me of Woodland Seasons. So maybe let's use Woodland Seasons. For this, I'm going to use the Joanne's book. Joanne's Seasonal. The Joanne's Seasonal book, and I'm going to try and use some of the stuff from that. For this one, I might do the Planner Stash Challenge. Either Last Sticker Book or Non-Planner. Or non-planner stickers. I might try and do one of those. Week of the 11th, I'm going to do Kindness Day, which is on the 15th, and we'll use the Mega Holiday. Week of the 18th, I'm going to do Princess Day, because when it's Mickey Mouse Day, it's also Princess Day. I'm going to put question mark. I might try and do the Planner Stash Challenge colours. Brown, blue, and peach. Might try and do that at the same time, maybe. And then for the week of Thanksgiving, I might do Reenie's turkeys. If I don't do that, then I might use the wrong accessory book. Although I might do that also in my journal. If I don't do it in my journal, then I'll do that in there. Okay. 4th to the 10th, I'm going to do Woodland Seasons. Then we will do Essential Seasons. The fall, clearly. And then, oh, hang on. I've missed one. Not that it matters. Then we'll do wrong accessory book. Okay, and that's all of those. That's all of those done. The only other thing that I need to figure out is what I'm going to do in my tarot. What I'm thinking, I do like this blue though. What I'm thinking is using the washi tape shop, the rustic botanicals. I just love those. They're just beautiful for fall. And then, yeah, I think I might, or, no, I think I'm going to use rustic botanicals. Or let your heart wander. Or let your heart wander, or both. Maybe I'll try and combine both. So I hope that helped to show you how I set up my planners for the month ahead, choosing what sticker books I'm going to use, and get my stash used, and joining the challenges. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye! I know. Can you believe that November is coming? So the reason that I do my setup is to make sure that I've got all of my appointments and stuff in my planner. Can't even. No, come on. And then I just decide what sticker books I'm going to use. Stop. So the reason that I do this is just to take out decision fatigue. I am wrestling with a dog. So the reason that I do this is to just take away the decision fatigue every time I sit down. So the reason that I do this is to just give up on life completely. Oh my god. Dude, can you just give me like 5 minutes? Come on, go. So I hope that helped. Just show you, that's upside down.